Thanks for clicking on the video. I'm in my 2018 Mazda 6, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the different modifications that I've done so far. So let's not waste any more time, let's just jump right into it. The first thing that I did was install a rear spoiler. I got it in black, you know, kind of offset all the white that's on the car. I think it looks great, fits pretty good, honestly. Considering I got it off eBay, it was like $30 or $40. Second thing I did was I wrapped the rear chrome trim in black. I just used regular black vinyl. I'm not a fan of all the chrome that's on this car. It's not even that there's a lot of chrome, it's just big pieces of chrome. I think it looks perfect, you can't even really tell. I really wanted a muffler, so I was looking for one. I actually came across one on Facebook Marketplace for only 110 bucks. It was just a muffler. I believe it came off of a 2016 Mazda 6. Or 2017, anyway, everything lined up perfectly on it, but the tips, we had to just extend them out because it didn't line up with the bumper. The bumper's just a little bit different. I found something else on Facebook Marketplace. It was a InGen air intake. I love the way it sounds. It sounds really deep. You can't tell until you really push it. That one I found for 90 bucks, which I think they originally go for like 220 bucks. If I'm not mistaken. Another thing I did too was I installed a rear diffuser. I want to say that's what it is. You can't really even notice it, but it's like subtle. It looks nice. I guess you could say it's rice, right? 10 horsepower. I don't know. I like it. I plasti dipped the front chrome trim black because, like I said, it's just a big chrome piece. Not a fan. I attempted to wrap it, and that did not come out good. It did not come out good by any means. It just started folding up, and I'm just like, man, I'm never trying that again. So I just plasti dipped it black. It's okay. It doesn't really look that good in person, in my opinion, because it's not a really strong black. It kind of looks like faded, crappy black, but in pictures it looks dope. I did the emblem too. Basic. I'm so basic, I know. I found side skirts. Those came out great. They look fine. You can't even really tell they're there. I do want a front lip. I feel like it would make it look a little bit more even, but like I said, you can't really even tell they're there. I wrapped the mirror caps with black vinyl. I think it looks fine. Another thing I did was the paddle shifters. It was a pretty easy install. I found out how to do it online. The only scary part was removing the steering wheel because I was like, oh God, it's just a new car for me, so I didn't want to mess anything up, but luckily nothing happened. Everything functions correctly on it. I had no issues. It's been a few months now. See, no issues. No issues. I don't know if there's any cops around. I'm not trying to mess around on this little road. I put window visors on the car. I don't know, I feel like the car kind of looked better without them. Yeah, those are the list of the modifications that I've done to the car. I know it's not a whole bunch, but I'm definitely going to be doing more. You know, plans for the future is definitely a front lip, wheels. I'm not sure if I want to lower it because it is my daily. I would probably go, you know, just for bigger wheels, like 19-inch wheels. But yeah, thanks for watching. And those are the list of modifications I've done to my 2018 Mazda 6.